in this video, I'm going to explain a new unit, Unit 11, about electron transfer and sharing reactions. In this unit, we will have a lot of subtopics for SL. There are 16 subtopics and 5 subtopics for higher level. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the structural representation of organic compounds. So in this unit, we're only going to talk about the organic compounds. So it is kind of related to the organic chemistry. So from this subtopic, you need to know how to identify different formulas and interconvert molecular, skeletal, and structural formulas, and construct 3D models, real or virtuals, of organic molecules. This can be done in the class with your teacher. So 3D models, they will be a real 3D models atoms that will be provided in your classroom, or virtually maybe through any website like MolView, so you can actually construct the 3D models virtually. Stereochemical formulas are not expected to be drawn except where specifically indicated. So organic compounds can be represented by different types of formula. These include empirical, molecular, structural, full and condensed, stereochemical, and skeletal. Okay, we already talked about empirical formula and molecular formula in the previous unit, Unit 5, where we actually calculated the empirical formula and molecular formula based on the data provided. But in this topic, we only talk about the molecular formula and empirical formula of the organic compounds, but we actually don't really discuss about the empirical formula or molecular formula in this unit, because empirical formula and molecular formula mentioned because it is related to the full structural formula. So let me revise it again. Molecular formula is the number of atoms, actual number of atoms of a molecule, and the empirical formula is the formula that shows the simplest number of atoms from the molecular formula. For example, ethane, C2H6. So when we divide it to be 2, when divided by 2, it will give CH3 as the simplest ratio between carbon and hydrogen atoms. And for the ethanoic acid, we divide it by 2, so this becomes CH2O, the simplest formula, which is the ratio between carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. And for the full structural formula, it shows the bonds and number of atoms. Basically, it's a Lewis structures that use a bond between the atoms that is involved in the molecule. So this is the full structural formula for ethane, and this is the structural formula of ethanoic acid. Okay, and condensed structural formula shows the number of atoms involved in the molecule, but it doesn't show the bond. So CH3 here, this is CH3, and CH3 here from this CH3. And for this CH3COOH, this one is CH3COOH. Okay, so that is the condensed structural formula. And we've got another formula, which is stereochemical formula. What it shows, the 3D formula. For the full structural formula is only 2D, but for the stereochemical formula is 3D. So it shows the bond that is pointing out of the plane of the paper, this one and this one pointing into the plane of the paper, and the other two are in the plane of the paper. This is the example of methanol. Okay, and for the skeletal formula, it doesn't show the atom of, and for the skeletal formula, carbon and hydrogen's atoms do not show in this formula. So how to know which one is carbon is a vertex or the angular. So this one is C, this one is C, and this one is C as well. So C, 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 and C. So we know this is double bond, so we directly know this will be CH2, CH2. This will be, there is H, H, something like that. Okay, so that is the skeletal formula. Another examples for this formulas, okay, and ethanol, propanone, we cannot determine the empirical formula more simple than this, okay? So this is the molecular formula, and there is no way that we can simplify because O and H we cannot divide it by 2 or divide it by 5. The same thing with this. So oxygen only 1. So this is the empirical and molecular formula for ethanol and propanol. And when we draw the Lewis structure of ethanol, so this would be CH3, C2H5, OH, okay? And this one, C3, 1, 2, 3, H6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 oxygen. And for condensed molecular formula, that would be CH3, CH2, OH. And for this one, CH3, CO, CH3. So we don't show the bond. So we will know that when it's C double bond O here, when we draw the Lewis structure, we directly know it's double bond because C, it needs to have 4 bonds. So if only 2, C and C right here, therefore another bond between C and O is a double bond, okay? And for the skeletal formula, so we just need to draw like this vertex because this we have 3C right here. Sorry, 2 C's right here. So C, C. And for this one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we know here is CH3 because only 1 C and single bond here. Okay, right. Convert the following full structural formula to a skeletal formula. So we've got CH3 right here and 1 CH right here and double bond with Cl, and then we've got CH2 here, and then we've got OH. So for CH3 we can do like this, okay? So this will be CH3 and then double bond right here, okay, and then Cl here, and this one would be CH2 here. This one would be OH. Okay, so CH3 here is CH3. I would just use another color. So this would be CH3. This would be C double bond, and there is H right here. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 bonds, right? And this one, another C, CCl, this one, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And for this one, CH2, so C, 1, 2, 3, 4. So CH2OH. Convert the following skeletal formula to a condensed structural formula. So this is the opposite. Okay, so that would be, here is CH3, and we've got C right here. Only 3, 1, 2, 3. So we've got 1 H right here. And this one also 1, 2, 3. So we've got H right here. And this one would be CH3. So the condensed structural formula would be CH3, CHCl, CHBr, and CH3. So this is the condensed structural formula without bond. Okay, so that's all for the structural representation of organic compounds. We already talked about the empirical formula, molecular formula, full structural formula, which is basically the Lewis structure represented by the bond between the atoms involved in the molecule, and condensed structural formula without a bond but show all the atoms that involve in the molecule, and then also stereochemical formula, the one that pointing out of the plane, pointing into the plane, and in the plane of the paper. And skeletal formula, it doesn't show the atom of C and H, but instead it shows angular for the atom C. And in the next video, we're going to talk about functional groups, which is halogenal, hydroxyl, carbonyl, carboxyl, alkoxy, amino, amido, ester, and phenyl. Also talk about saturated and unsaturated. Okay, so again, I always like to remind you, believe in yourself and believe in me. With a NIL IB, the best online platform will help you to get a perfect score of 7 in your final exam. See you in the next video.